some on the lens. So don't do that. On the Polar Pro version, they've eliminated this long gold shaft, and it ships with the O-rings for moisture lock and to prevent some of this vignetting. If you start seeing some cotton coming off, just swap to a new one. Now that it's been painted on all the critical areas, I guess we could go in here, but I don't think that's what where the problem's coming from. So we'll wait about 20 minutes, let that dry. So after about 20 minutes, should be dry to the touch. We're ready to put the the glass back on. And for this one, it's pretty easy. Just kind of set it in. Give it a press. And it's good to go. Okay, now we're going to put it on the GoPro, see if we need another coat or if this is good enough. Awesome. Let's go check with the other light. And the vignetting's gone now. So all it took was a little bit of spray paint. That easy. 20 minutes.